I am Mahrang Baloch. Now I am addressing all of you from Islamabad, Pakistan. I hope you are in any part of the world at this time, and if you are a humanitarian person, then you will listen to our voices and you will raise your voice against the Baloch genocide and help us. Baloch genocide has been going on for decades in Balochistan, in which thousands of our elders, youth, children and women have forcibly disappeared. Our people are being extrajudicially killed and our people are being forcibly displaced from their hometowns. Military operations are being carried out in our areas, our resources are being looted, and this genocide of our nation is intensifying day by day. Against this severe Baloch genocide, we held a peaceful sit-in for 13 days in Turbat, Balochistan, and after 13 days we started a peaceful long march which started from Turbat and travelled hundreds of kilometers to Islamabad, has reached the capital of Pakistan. Today is the 32nd day of our mass movement against the Baloch genocide. But in this whole mass movement, from sit-in to the long march all over Balochistan, the state has used extreme force to stop and end the movement. False FIRs were registered against our people, our friends were subjugated to physical violence and friends were arrested, and when we were faced all of these violence and conspiracy